Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. How much time a beginner can take to reach TEF Canada success? We're going to talk about this in this quick short video. Stay tuned, c'est parti. You are a beginner and you would like to know आपको कितना time लगेगा to gain those cheesy 72 points. So here I am today to help you in this quick short video. First thing first, let's categorize you as in all of your audience in a broad category. सबसे पहले या तो हम 20 से 30 की एज उस कैटेगरी में है. अब आप कह सकते हैं कि इस चीज का एज से क्या लेना देना. एज से एक्चुअली कोई लेना देना नहीं. What matters is that if you're a non-working professional, if you're a working professional, or if you're a homemaker, और या फिर आप एक working mother हैं तो, so इन सब के circumstances से जरूर लेना देना है. What does it mean? अगर आप 20 से 30 broadly category की हैं, age category की हैं, और आप काम करते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, लेकिन you are not married or you do not have any other homely responsibilities. So आप उस कैटेगरी में फॉल करते हैं wherein you are capable of soaking a lot more than any other categories. So आपको definitely you can invest, you should invest around 5 to 6 hours in a day, weekend में perhaps ज़्यादा, and your entire journey of TEF, French, Canada would be not more than 8 to 9 months. Again, there are other circumstances also which makes a lot of difference in each and every individual's journey. वो अभी हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. Talking about broadly the second category. The second category is a working category. Broadly are the ones who work 5 days a week and have a weekend off and are married too. So I assume they have a lot more, or maybe they have a pretty more responsibility than the unmarried ones. Now, if you fall into that category and you are able to just spend maybe 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day during the weekday and maybe more than 5-6 hours during the weekend, then your journey should be around 1 year to 1.5 years. Again, star condition applied. Again, there are a lot of other circumstances that your journey depends on, and we are going to talk about that very shortly. The third category, which is another category, is the working mother, or maybe if you're a homemaker. Now, I know there's a lot of difference between their working style and their responsibilities, but I put them together in one category because I know women can do wonders. So, if in case, broadly, if you can also spend, let's say, early morning hours or late night hours, at whatever time your child sleeps, or maybe at the time when you're most active, when your brain is most active, just squeeze that time, steal that time, and your journey shouldn't be more than 1.5 years to 2 years. Now, this is all broadly categorized, my dear friend. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर मैंने कहा स्टूडेंट को या मतलब अनमैरिड को 8 months लगेंगे तो 8 months ही लगेंगे, उसे 1.5 साल भी लग सकता है. आई नो अ वर्किंग मदर जिन्होंने पूरी जर्नी सिर्फ 11 months में कंप्लीट कर ली, एंड शी वाज वर्किंग, शी वाज अ मदर, एंड शी वाज फैंटास्टिक स्टूडेंट टू. सो यू कैन डू दैट टू. However, I would say what matters is that you evaluate your circumstances. Sickness, God forbid, कोई पार्टी, कोई घर में engagement, कोई घर में ceremony. इसके अलावा there are other more circumstances, maybe the birth, the death, or maybe आप upset हो, आपकी situation ऐसी है, you're not feeling well, you have to take a break for a week or 2. Doesn't matter. What matters is that you stay tuned. You stay tuned. Like I'll give you an example. हम लोग जिम जाते हैं, हम लोग बहुत जोश से ज्वाइन करते हैं, as in that's something at least I do. So जोश से ज्वाइन किया, after a week or 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, and then एक दिन नहीं गए. वो एक दिन बहुत हानिकारक हो जाता है कई बार, क्योंकि आप हो सकता है मोटिवेट ही ना हो दोबारा to re-go to the gym again. I'm not sure if it was a great example, but yes, it worked for me. I had to refuel myself after I had taken a small pause from the studies. So आपको refueling करनी पड़ेगी, remotivation करना पड़ेगा. For that I'm there. Please watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Let me know what all things you want me to create a video on, help you with. Join my Telegram channel wherein I have put in a lot of free tech material ideal for you, please leverage that. Speak with people, chat with community, and here you trust me, my friend. You have all the potential to squeeze your journey from 1.5 year to just 7 months. और वो सिर्फ आपके हाथ में है. Trust me, ऐसी कोई टाइमलाइन नहीं है कि टेफ क्रैक 6 मंथ्स में क्रैक करिए, टेफ को 8 मंथ्स में करिए. अगर आपने 1.5 साल में भी किया तो कोई आपको they wouldn't call you as less intelligent. आपने टेफ का पास लिया, यही इनफ है that you yourself are intelligent, and you yourself comes in the intelligent category anyway, right? So don't take a pressure, लेकिन हाँ, just keep yourself completely refueled, motivated कि टेफ करना है और कनाडा जाना है. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Over.